Uploading YouTube Shorts but barely getting views? Here's exactly how to fix that. You spend time creating, you hit publish, and then crickets. A handful of views, maybe a like from your mom. Meanwhile, you see other creators posting simple videos that explode with millions of views overnight. What's the secret? It's not luck, it's a system. A series of small, crucial steps that signal to the YouTube algorithm that your content is worth pushing to the masses. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down that exact system for you, step by step. We're going to cover everything from the perfect format to the hidden upload settings that most people miss. And stick around to the very end, because I'll reveal a pro-level secret that can drastically increase your chances of going viral. Let's get started. First, let's get one thing straight. YouTube Shorts are a goldmine right now. If you're not taking them seriously, you are leaving a massive opportunity on the table. Think about why YouTube is pushing them so hard. They are in a head-to-head battle for your attention with platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. To compete, YouTube has engineered the Shorts feed to be an engine of pure discovery. It's an infinite loop designed to serve viewers a constant stream of new, engaging content from creators they've never seen before. This is your ticket in. Unlike long-form video, where you have to fight for every subscriber and build a library over the years, a single, well-made short can put you in front of hundreds of thousands, or even millions, of new people in a matter of hours. We've seen countless creators explode because of this. Take a look at creators in the cooking niche, the comedy space, or even highly technical fields like coding. Many started with 0 subscribers and, by consistently posting shorts, built audiences of hundreds of thousands in less than a year. Their secret wasn't a big budget or a professional film crew. It was understanding how to feed the algorithm exactly what it wants. The Shorts feed is a game, and the algorithm is the game master. It's looking for specific signals to decide whether to show your video to 10 people or 10 million people. The potential for virality is built directly into the platform's DNA, especially for mobile viewers who consume content in rapid-fire succession. This creates an environment where discoverability is not just possible, it's probable if you follow the rules. But that's the catch. If your format is wrong, if your hook is weak, if your timing is off, YouTube buries your short before it ever has a chance. So, let's start by fixing the most fundamental mistake people make. Let's fix your format. Step 1 is formatting your short correctly. This might sound basic, but it's non-negotiable. The YouTube algorithm is a machine, and it categorizes content based on technical specifications. If you get these wrong, you're telling the machine that you don't understand the platform, and it will penalize your reach. The first rule is the aspect ratio. Your video must be in a 9:16 vertical format. This is the standard tall screen format of a smartphone. If you upload a square video or a horizontal video, YouTube might still show it in the Shorts feed, but it will have ugly black bars on the top and bottom. This immediately signals a low-quality experience to the viewer and hurts your watch time. You're competing against perfectly framed vertical videos, so don't handicap yourself from the start. Second, your video must be under 60 seconds long. Not 61 seconds, not 60.5 seconds. Under 60 seconds. While you have up to a minute, the sweet spot for many viral shorts is actually between 15 and 30 seconds. Why? Because the single most important metric for the Shorts algorithm is audience retention. The algorithm wants to see that people are watching your entire video, and ideally, watching it more than once. It's much easier to get someone to watch 100% of a 15-second video than it is for a 59-second video. Start shorter, hook your audience, and earn their attention. Third, video quality matters. Aim for a minimum of 1080p high definition. Your phone can almost certainly shoot in this quality, so there's no excuse for a blurry, pixelated video. Good lighting and clear audio are also part of this. People scroll quickly. If they can't see or hear what's happening clearly in the first second, they're gone. Beyond the technical specs, the content structure itself needs to be formatted for a short-form audience. This means fast cuts and absolutely no dead air. Don't waste time with a long intro. Get straight to the point. Every single second should have a purpose. Finally, add captions or subtitles. A huge percentage of people watch shorts with the sound off. If they can't understand your video without audio, you've lost them. Use your video editor's built-in text tools to add clear, easy-to-read captions that reinforce your message. And one more thing, using trending sounds or music can give you an initial boost. You can find what's trending by simply scrolling the Shorts feed or looking inside the YouTube audio library when you upload. But use it as a tool, not a crutch. Your content still needs to provide value. Step 2. Crafting a strong hook in the first 2 seconds. If format is the ticket, the hook is your opening play. You have 2 seconds max to convince someone not to swipe. Forget slow build-ups. You need a pattern, interrupt. That could be a quick zoom, whip pan, loud sound effect, or a visual that's strange or satisfying. Another hook technique, ask a provocative question. Are you still making this one mistake with your money? Or, what if I told you everything you know about coffee is wrong? This creates an open loop that keeps people watching. Or show the after first, the clean car interior, the body transformation, then explain how you got there. A voiceover like, here's how I turned 3 views into 300,000 with just one change, instantly builds curiosity. The first 2 seconds determine if your short survives. Master this, and your views will grow. Step 3. Optimize your title and hashtags. Many creators neglect or overdo this. For Shorts, the title needs searchable phrases and real curiosity. No need for aggressive clickbait. Short, clear, and intriguing works best. Instead of cool new gadget, go with this AI tool makes shorts for you. The first is forgettable. The second is specific and searchable. Then the hashtag formula. Always include #shorts. This tells YouTube your video is a short. Skipping it kills reach. Add 2 to 3 niche-specific hashtags. For keto recipes, #shorts, #keto recipes, #low carb. For fantasy books, #shorts, #book talk, #fantasy books. Don't overstuff hashtags. 10 or 15 is too much and confuses the algorithm. Be precise. #shorts plus 2 specific hashtags =, the magic formula. Step 4. How to upload YouTube Shorts the right way. Desktop or mobile, both work. Mobile is faster if using YouTube's audio, but metadata is key. In the description, write 1-3 keyword-rich sentences. If your title is AI tool that makes shorts for you, your description could be, in this video, I review an AI tool that helps create shorts from long-form content. Now for thumbnails. A big update. You can now choose a frame or upload a custom one. Use a clear, high-contrast image showing the most exciting part of your short. Don't treat this as an afterthought. And a pro tip. Use a pinned comment. After uploading, comment on something that sparks discussion, then pin it. Use it as a CTA too, link to a long-form video or a product. Step 5. When to post for max views. Timing gives your short initial momentum. Check YouTube Studio, Analytics, Audience tab. The When your viewers are on YouTube chart shows peak hours. Post an hour or 2 before those times. No data yet? Test 8 to 10 a.m. and 6 to 8 p.m. in your audience's time zone. Morning catches commuters. Evening catches people winding down. Niches vary. Productivity tips work on Monday mornings, travel ideas on Friday afternoons. Test, track, and adjust. In time, your own analytics will guide you. Step 6. Engage fast. The first hour is the golden hour. YouTube tests your video with a small audience and watches engagement. Likes, comments, shares, these signals tell the algorithm to show it to more people. Your job? Pour fuel on the fire. For 1 hour after posting, heart and reply to every comment. This encourages more engagement and doubles your comment count. Got 10 comments? Reply to all, and now you have 20. Pin a comment that asks something like, which part surprised you the most, to keep the loop going. Don't post and ghost. Be your own community manager. Bonus tips plus pro secret. First, consistency is key. Post 3 to 5 shorts weekly. Second, reuse your existing content. Long-form videos are a goldmine. Pull out insights, reactions, or quick tutorials. Use Opus Clip to auto-pull highlights, or mobile tools like CapCut or Adobe Express to add text and effects. Batching helps. Film 10 shorts in one afternoon instead of 1 per day. It's way easier. Now for the pro-level secret, the rewatch rate. The algorithm loves it when a viewer watches your short more than once. To boost this, create a perfect loop, where the end transitions seamlessly into the beginning. The viewer doesn't even realize the video restarted. This can push your average view duration past 100%, a massive algorithm signal. Practice ending where you began, visually or with audio. Try this system and watch your views explode. Don't just take my word, test it yourself. If these tips help, and they will, comment on your results to help others too. And subscribe for more shorts growth strategies, new ones every week.